Hello.
Hello, my name is Lily, and this is the House of Eclax. How can I help you today?
I've been constipated for a few weeks now. I need some medicine, please.
Okay, we got the perfect day for you. We have strawberry, chocolate, pineapple, and cherry. What kind you want?
Cherry, please. How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
Thanks for that. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
And for a special offer, for $15, you get free pedicure. You want free pedicure? Ooh, you got lots of money. You can have it with me. Look at you. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120.
I can't count. You're talking and you're messing.
Hello? Hello?
Hello,
You got lots of money. All it is $15. Ooh! $15. For $15, you get cherry or any type of flavor at Eclax and a free pedicure. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
What kind you want? You want free pedicure?
Cherry, free pedicure, please.
Okay, you get free pedicure. Okay. Thank you for visiting the House of Eclax.
It
Thank you very
makes
much.
you feel so much better.
Come back soon!